Hello everyone, I am Akanksha from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, varying USN 1VE22CS092, belongs to Department of Computer Science and Engineering, second semester. Today we are discussing about the topic volume by triple integration and center of gravity. Introduction to volume by triple integration and center of gravity. Volume by triple integration is a mathematical concept used to calculate the volume of three-dimensional objects. Center of gravity is a point within an object where the weight is evenly distributed in all directions. Understanding these concepts is essential in physics, engineering, and other fields. So, what are the basics in volume by triple integration? Triple integration involves integrating a function over a three-dimensional region. It is the process of finding the volume of a solid bounded by a multiple surfaces. The triple integral is represented as triple integration of f of x, y, z dv. Steps for calculating volume using triple integration. Identify the boundaries of three-dimensional region. Set up the triple integral using appropriate limits of integration. Evaluate the integral using techniques such as iterated integration or change of variables, such as with respect to x, y, z. For example, finding volume of a cuboid. Consider a cuboid with sides of length a, b, c. The volume of the cuboid can be calculated using the triple integration of 1 with respect to volume. The limits of integration would be a, b and c for each variable. Here a equals to 3 centimeters, b equals to 4 centimeters and c equals to 5 centimeters. So the next topic is center of gravity. The center of gravity is the point within an object where the weight is evenly distributed in all directions. It is the point at which an object can be balanced perfectly. The center of gravity is an important concept in physics and engineering. Calculating center of gravity for uniform objects. For a uniform object, the center of gravity coincides with the geometric center. The center of gravity is determined by finding the average position of all the individual particles of the object. This can be calculated by considering the mass and position of each particle. Calculating center of gravity for non-uniform objects. For non-uniform objects, the center of gravity may not coincide with the geometric and geometric center. The center of gravity can be calculated using integration techniques. By considering the distribution of mass throughout the object, the center of gravity can be determined. So for example, finding center of gravity of a thin plate. Consider a thin plate with varying mass identity. To find the center of gravity, divide the plate into small elements. Calculate the mass and position of each element and then integrate to find the center of gravity. So what are the applications of volume by triple integration? Volume by triple integration is used in physics to calculate the volume of irregularly shaped objects. It is also used in engineering for designing structures and studying fluid dynamics. Additionally, it has applications in computer graphics and medical imaging. Applications of center of gravity. Center of gravity is crucial for stability analysis in structures and vehicles. It is used for designing balanced objects such as toys or sculptures. Center of gravity is also considered in sports such as gymnastics and diving. So, what are the limitations and assumptions? Calculating volume by triple integration can be complex for irregular shapes or objects with varying density. Center of gravity calculations assume a uniform gravitational field and neglect external forces. These concepts provide approximations and may require simplifications in real-world scenarios. Importance of volume by triple integration and center of gravity. Volume by triple integration allows for accurate calculations of object volumes in various fields. Center of gravity is crucial for understanding balance and stability in objects and systems. These concepts provide valuable insights for engineering, physics, and other disciplines. Volume by triple integration is a mathematical technique to calculate the volume of three-dimensional objects, and center of gravity is the point where an object's weight is evenly distributed in all directions. These concepts have practical applications in physics, engineering, and other fields. Thank you for your attention and interest in this presentation.